Okay, this nozzle that I got off of Amazon, man, it is very close to a gasoline powered pressure washer I used to have. Look, you can even write, when you have a strong one, you can write in your cement. See, look at that. See? That's coming from this, guys, not a gasoline powered pressure washer. Pretty freaking amazing. Look at that. I put this carport up in 2021, actually the summer of 2021, and kind of finishing around the fall. And I put on 3 coats of paint, but I just got this high performance turbo pressure nozzle from Amazon because my pressure washer broke down a couple years ago. I had a gasoline powered one, and here it is. Man, this guy's the real deal. In fact, I thought I had done a good paint job on my carport. I put oil primer and then 2 coats. Look at this. That little sucker started to take the paint off. That's how powerful it is. I highly recommend this pressure washer. Now the other one, it comes with 2. I haven't tried this one yet. Maybe this one's a little bit softer, a little bit less. I don't know. But I wanted something that would pressure wash this carport and get her all clean. I have not done that since 2021, and I just got done doing it with the high performance nozzle I got from Amazon. And look, now it probably needs some soap and some maybe a soft brush just to get the rest of it off, but I'm impressed. And as you saw in my other video, I was able, just like you would with a normal pressure washer, a gasoline powered one, I was able to write on the concrete. You've done that before, right? If you've had a normal pressure washer, look at this thing. It writes right on your concrete, just like a gasoline powered pressure washer you would get from Home Depot or Lowe's. Look at that. I can't say enough about it. It's so affordable, and you're not harming the environment using gas or anything like that. That's my review of this high performance water pressure nozzle that only uses your hose. It just kind of blowing my mind, actually.